Alright, hey everybody. Just got back from the hike. I was going to do a video out in the woods, but it's pouring down rain right now. I want to give everybody an update on the ramps, what they look like right now. I was able to get a decent sized bucket. Not very much though, they're still in it. But here it is. You can see the tops are just coming on. So, not quite yet ready to be fully harvestable, but they're the hot ones like I told you in the last video. Great for your seasoning and great for your dip right now, so if you want them, go get them. Any of my customers that are wondering, I'm going to give these probably about 2 more weeks and then they'll be up for sale. So if you've been waiting for leeks, messaging me for leeks, plan on waiting for at least another week or 2. They're just not ready to go fully harvest yet. But yeah, I got a good probably half a pound of these small ones. I'm going to go home and make some seasoning. If anybody's got any questions, comment, message me. The phone number's up on the page. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.